Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to our explainer video on shoulder pain diagnosis charts. Shoulder pain can have many different causes, such as impingement, rotator cuff tears, instability, or an underlying disease such as osteoarthritis. Each of these causes have different pain distributions, which can be mapped out visually on a shoulder pain diagnosis chart. This chart is a visual tool to assist with the localization of a patient's shoulder pain. This can then help you to narrow down the range of possible diagnoses. Although knowledge of common shoulder pathologies and anatomical terminology is required to interpret the results of the shoulder pain diagnosis chart, these are not a requirement for filling in the areas of pain on the shoulder diagram. As such, this chart can be completed independently by patients, but a healthcare practitioner will be required to interpret the results. These practitioners could include physical therapists, occupational therapists, or orthopedic surgeons. Let's take a look at how to use a shoulder pain diagnosis chart. Depending on what kind of pain your patient is experiencing, you may wish to utilize the blank key provided. This key provides 4 empty boxes for color coding or otherwise differentiating between different types of pain. The next step is to annotate the shoulder diagram provided using the colors or markers determined in the previous step. Once the shoulder diagram has been annotated, any additional notes can be added in the space provided. These could include any other relevant information, plans for a referral, or the next steps for the patient. The last step is to store the shoulder pain diagnosis chart securely along with the rest of your patient's medical record. To see an example of how this shoulder pain diagnosis chart can help your patients to identify where they have pain, just take a look at our example shoulder pain diagnosis chart. You can access this shoulder pain diagnosis chart and many other resources from within your Carepatron app. Just head to Templates from the menu on the left-hand side, then ensure you are filtering by Community Templates to see our full range of resources. And then you can search the resource library by keyword. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe to Carepatron's YouTube channel for more helpful content.